Hey guys, today I will show you how to change app icons on your Android using just one app. So firstly, install the app, just open the Play Store and go into the search tab, and here type in Nova Launcher. And then just tap install. And when the app is installed, tap open. And now your home screen might look a little bit different. That's because Nova has replaced your default launcher. Then just follow the further instructions and give all of the permissions for the Nova Launcher app. So open the app through the app drawer, enter here Nova Launcher. And as you can see, now your home screen is changed, so let's change the app icons. So here in the search, type in icon, and then scroll down to the icon style, and then just tap on it, and here you can change the icon shape. And also you have here more of shapes for your icons. Also you can have your custom icon style. So let's check it, how it works. Let's set an icon style. And let's do a round one. And as you can see now, icons are round. And now you know how to change app icons on your Android device. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.